Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to download or install Minecraft. Let's dive into the exciting world of block building and adventures. Before you get started, make sure your system meets the requirements to play Minecraft. Check if your PC or console has the necessary specs. If you don't have a Mojang account, you'll need to create one. Sign up with your email and set a password. If you already have an account, just log in. Now, head over to the official Minecraft website. This is where you'll find the download link that's safe and secure. Choose the right version of Minecraft for your platform. Whether you're on PC, Mac, console, or mobile, there's a version for you. Click on the download button to get the Minecraft installer. Ensure it's from the official site to verify its authenticity. Locate the downloaded file, run the installer, and follow the on-screen prompts to install the game. After installation, launch Minecraft for the first time. You'll go through some initial setup, including logging into your Mojang account. Once in-game, check out the Settings menu. Here, you can customize your experience for the best performance. If you encounter any issues during installation or download, don't worry. We'll cover common troubleshooting tips to help you out.